Hello and welcome back to our channel. Are you concerned that the Govee lights won't stick? Are you worried that when you stick them up a certain amount of time, like weeks, months, or years, that they'll fall off? Well, I'm going to address that concern of yours in this video. So give this video a thumbs up on your way in and let's explore and let me show you how tough these lights really are, and there's nothing to worry about. This will show you exactly how tough these lights really are. So I'm going to remove this one, and that one there, and then I'm going to re-stick this one up underneath on the front, and I'll show you how I do that. But first, how strong are these lights? I'm just going to grab a hold of it like this. Look how I'm really pulling on that and pulling down on that, and they are so tight. Actually, this is tighter than the other ones that I took off. Let me pull my finger up under here. Maybe that could help. There, it came loose. That's what it looks like, and this is up on top. And so basically how to get it off is, there's several different ways you can do it. This is how I'm doing it. Maybe you can comment below how you've done yours or have a better idea, but just kind of roll it off. There, I'm just kind of rolling it off. There's a little bit left on there, and that just comes off. But it's almost like I don't know if you know anything about Palmer's putty. When you put a drain in and stuff, it almost seems like that, but yet it has more consistency. It don't fall apart. And so I'm just go ahead and do the same thing. This one popped off a little bit easier, but it's still hard to come off. So be rest assured that there will be no problems. At least mine's been installed for a few years now, and I haven't had a problem yet. But if you feel more comfortable, you want to screw them in place, by all means do that. So if you watch this video the whole way through, and if this video helped you make that decision to go forward with the purchase of these Permanent Pro 2 lights, congratulations. If you would like an excellent video of installing them, it's going to be on the end screen. So until the next time, you have yourself a great day and happy installing, because you'll be excited.